Hello class, good morning. Today we are going to start the chapter number 2, computer languages. Before going to start, this is a pandemic time and it is very crucial, and I think all of you are well and fine, and please avoid to go outside. So come, we will start the chapter number 2. That one is a computer language. As we all know that language it is a medium by which we can talk to the somebody else. Same as it is. If you want कि computer may follow your instructions, whatever the works you want to do, computer may do. So we have to know the language of computers. Clear? So here, language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that computer understand. So we are going to see which language computer are going to understand. First of all, before going to start language, we have to know few terms they have given. What is program? A program is a set of instructions that tells computer to do some specific task. And now we are going to know the another terms, that is programming. Writing the programs is known as a what? Programming. So we are going to see now programming languages. Like in our real life, each language they have their own symbols, they have their own rules, own syntax. Same as it is in the computer, we have also more than one programming languages that it has their own rules, own syntax. We have to learn how to write our particular instructions into their languages. Clear? So we have to know the particular syntax of each languages, how they are providing, what things we should have to keep in our mind to write the program, that is known as what? Programming languages. So each language we have to know their rules and regulations. Now we are going to see the development of computer language has been classified into the following languages. Yeah, we can say that how many languages in the computers are being used. So we can say here language. We have a machine language. We have a assembly language. We have a high level language, and we have a fourth generation language. We will start from the machine language. The language that machine understand, the computer understand, that one is the what? Machine language. Why? Because in the machine language all the instructions are written in the form of 0 and 1, where 0 states off and 1 states on. And we all know that computer also understand only 0 and 1. That's why it is called as a what? Machine language that computer directly understand. So that one is a what? It. In this language, all the instructions are written in the form of 0 and 1, where the 0 states off and where the 1 states on. Now the computer understand. So in the machine language, executions is very fast. Means whatever the code you will write, it will take very less time to execute it. Now we are going to see the writing program and debugging is very difficult. What is a debugging? What is the debug? So my dear students, in the computer we have a new terms debug, that is known as an error. Clear? Error is called as a what? Debug. That are the terms of computer. So to removing the error from the programs, to removing the debug from the programs, it is called as a debugging. Removing the error from the programs, what is called? It is called as a debugging. One more thing, my dear students, you can write a simple notes. Clear? Whatever the things I am teaching here, you can write in your copy. So look here. In the machine language, what things we are knowing? In the machine language, all the instructions written in the form of 0 and 1, where the 0 states off and where the 1 states on. Now in the machine language, as we know that the computer also understands 0 and 1, so that is a computer language. It execute all the programs in very fast way because computer understand directly. Now writing program and debugging is a very difficult. Those who are very specialized, clear, they only can write, because we do not need to write here in the form of English languages, in the form of any other languages. We have to write here all the instructions in the form of 0 and 1. So first of all, whatever the things we have to write, we have to convert into 0 and 1, and then we have to write. And you think, my dear students, suppose you have written 5 lines, 6 lines, and after that any errors came. So it is very difficult to find out where is the error. That's why in the machine language, the writing program and debugging is a very difficult. And it is a extremely machine dependent. That's why machine language is also called as a low level language. A machine language program written on the computer, yes, there is one more disadvantage. Whatever the program you are writing in your computer, it is not sure it may run on other computer or not. Sometimes it may run if the other computer have a same specifications, what things in your computer is having, what the mechanism your computer is following. If it is the same, then it may run, otherwise it may not run in the other computer also. So these are the disadvantages of the machine languages. Now we are going to see about the assembly languages. Now in the assembly language we are using some mnemonics. Yeah, we can say few English words. Few English words means already we have defined some symbols, some mnemonics. By that we can write the programs like add, subtract, by which our instructions writing program is become little bit easier. So in the machine assembly language we are using the few English words like add, subtract. Now As we know that we have not written all the instructions in the form of 0 and 1. So here this program execution is slow compared to machine language. If the execution is slow, then writing program and debugging is fast. But my dear students, in the assembly language we need one special type of programs that known as what? Translator. It is a program that used to convert assembly language into the machine languages. So that is known as the what? Translator. And to convert the assembly language into the machine language, we are using the translator programs. That name is assembler. What is the name of this? Assembler. That is used to convert machine level language into the what? From assembly language into the machine language. Assembler. So this is the information about the what? Assembly languages. Clear? Now here we are going to know few more terms that are given in your book, and these are source program, and we have a object program. Whatever the program we are writing directly into the any languages, it is called as a what? Source program. I think you are experienced to write the HTML programs. In the Q basics, you have written many of the programs. So whenever in the basic we are writing the programs, we are opening one file. In the file we are writing some like move, add, subtract, input. So like that, whatever the codes we are writing in that file is called as the what? Source file. Clear? Now, when the translator programs are used, what the translator programs will do, it may convert the source program into the object program, and that is called as a what? Object programs. When the source files are being converted into the machine languages dependent levels, so it is called as a what? Object programs. So thank you class, today only that much. Tomorrow we will see the high level languages and about the translator of the high level language. Thank you.